Hi, this is Gail from New Mother, New Baby, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Babyweigh Scale in case you are renting a scale and you need to know how to use it. Here's the Babyweigh Scale, and the first thing I'm going to show you how to do is how to plug it in. So you're going to need to plug it into a power source. This is where you plug it into the scale. So there's a little hole here in the sort of back part of the scale. You also have the capability of putting in 6 C batteries, so one or the other. And then you're going to go ahead and you're going to set it down on a hard surface, not on a couch or a bed or anything soft. And you're going to put a pad on the scale or a blanket, but just make sure that the blanket isn't draping off the scale. And again, no objects are touching it. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to press the on 0 button. Okay, so it's zeroed out any blanket that's on the scale. Now we have our 0 number, and now we are going to go ahead and I'm actually going to weigh the baby. I'm going to weigh the baby, and here we go. All right, so let's see what our baby weighs. All right, so this baby weighs 1 pound, 7 ounces and 2/10 of an ounce. That's 1 pound, 7 ounces and 2/10 of an ounce. So I'm going to go ahead and press the weight entry button here, and you're going to see we have 2 triangles here. So we want to make sure we have 2 triangles, and that one of them was the weight and one of them is the memory weight. One locks it and one memorizes the weight. Now that we have that, we're going to go ahead and I'm going to hand the baby over to the mom, and we're going to have the mom feed, so when the baby comes back to the scale, we're going to be able to see, did the baby gain any weight? Okay, so here we go. Mom is feeding the baby. All done. It was very quick feeding. And we're going to come back to the scale now, and we're going to press the on 0 button. So we have all of these numbers and everything. We're not going to press the off button. We're just going to press the on 0 button, and we're going to go ahead and re-weigh the baby with their extra weight in their tummy. And now we're going to wait till it beeps again, and we're going to go ahead and press the weight gain button. And now we can see that the baby at this feeding gained 2.2 ounces. And if we wanted to do it in grams, we could go to the side here, and there's a button that says mode, and we could actually turn it over to grams, and then we can go ahead and press the weight gain button again, and we can see the baby took 62 grams or 62 mLs at that feeding. So for the purpose of this video, I did add a little bit of something extra onto the scale, but with your baby, the extra will be in their tummy because you just fed them. So that is a little tutorial on how to use the Babyweigh Scale, and we hope that this will be helpful for you in weighing your own baby and seeing what they gain when you are using the scale. Okay, thank you.